The bizarre story of how Salma Hayek's pet owl once coughed up a hairball on Harry Styles. During a recent appearance on the Ellen DeGeneres show, Salma Hayek revealed Harry Styles' reaction to her owl giving him quite the unique present, a hairball. This story is a hoot. While appearing on the June 15 episode of the Ellen DeGeneres show, actress Salma Hayek shared that her pet owl, Caring, once gave the ultimate parting gift to a very special house guest, Harry Styles. When the actress recalled the story to host Ellen DeGeneres, she played a little coy and withheld the star's identity at first. One time, there was a very important celebrity, I will not say his name, and he was really excited about the owl. And hoping that the owl would go on his head because it was on me, she shared. He's like, oh, I need an owl in my life. How do you do that? And the minute he least expected it, it came on his head, but then she did the thing, coughed it up. The Like a Boss actress explained that one of her owl's favorite things to munch on includes mice. So it made perfect sense when she specified, this ball of rat hair was on his head. And just what did the Watermelon Sugar singer have to say about his unexpected, delightful present? He was okay, he was kind of cool, Salma recalled. He didn't scream. Although the actress caved in and eventually revealed that it was Harry on the receiving end of her pet's hairball. She couldn't stress enough just how cool he was with the entire situation. I hope I am not in trouble, she joked when she mentioned his name. He was super cool, by the way. He was super cool even with that happening. He's the best. Salma adopted her pet owl Caring around 2 years ago after responding to an advertisement about rescue owls. Not only does she serve as one of her best friends and most hilarious house guests, but the two are even featured in People's 2021 Beautiful issue. For more on Salma's latest projects, including her new film, Hitman's Wife's Bodyguard, or for even more on her beloved best friend, check out the interview above.